Here I have XIAOMI Mi 8 and let me show you how to enable portable hotspot on the following device. At the very beginning, select the settings, then find and tap on portable hotspot. Here you can simply activate your portable Wi-Fi hotspot by tapping on this switcher. Once it's on, you can set up your hotspot. You just have to pick Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot. And here you can change your network name just by tapping on the current one and entering the new one. Then you can also change the password. If you would like to see what your password is, just tap on the eye icon. And now you can simply update it. Once the changes are done, just click on this switcher to save your changes. You can also share a QR code with other devices by tapping on Share QR Code icon. And there is also an option to turn off hotspot automatically once no devices are connected. So you can switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.